In a world where governments are implementing stringent regulations against plastic straws, with bans becoming more prevalent, and where the demand for paper straws is steadily rising day by day. If you're considering embarking on this venture, we're fully prepared to assist you at every stage of your business journey. Five Fingers Exports specializes in providing top-quality paper straw making machines and is an Indian manufacturer with a strong presence outside India. Our machines cover various aspects of the production process, from straight straw making, bending, drying, U-shape packing and bevel cutting, carton box packing, and even the application of straws to juice boxes. There aren't enough suppliers for bendable paper straws catering to beverage companies. Initiating a business focused on producing bendable paper straws could be a highly profitable venture.